So yummy. I already started eating, but I forgot to start my video. Thank God for this yummy sausage curry. So delicious. Cook it with carrot, chili, curry powder, turmeric powder, and cook some tomato, put on it whole tomato, pepper, salt, onion, whole onion, and I cooked the potato pot, and it's yummy, delicious. I can feel the chili. I like chili, but not too much. Yummy, yummy. Nice and hot. Classic sausage. You know, when you cook potato, when I first come here, I don't like potato. Don't like the taste. But now I get used to it. I like it, really like it. You can see the yellow of the turmeric. Sometimes I just like to have a potato when it's hot with butter. You know, the block butter, Anchor butter, the yummy butter. Here in New Zealand, I just eat it with butter. Look, yummy the sausage. Yum, so yummy. Sometimes you have to have some light food. Can't have heavy food all the time. Look at the sausage, how delicious it is. Yummy. Subscribe for more.